But you can only do one at a time, buddy.
What did you put in there? Did you put a ball in there? Let's put one in here.
Can you put the blue one in?
Can you put it in? Gently. Okay.
Put one in the green.
Gently.
Nice.
Nice. There.
Uh-oh, Grandma got some other shit.
Oh.
You have to let it get
Really?
darker than
That's
that.
not bad.
Oh, it's not quite done yet.
Look at the blue one, Daddy.
There's a lot of stuff.
We really don't need to make anything. We've got plenty of
Oh, that's pretty.
pizza left over.
Yellow! Yellow! Good job! Zach, is that pretty?
Uh-oh.
Pretty.
All right.
Okay, yeah, we need to put some more in. Okay, put one in.
Put it in there.
Attaboy. Attaboy. Oops, it's okay. There we go.
Yay!
Okay.
Tell me which color. Orange?
Let's see. Where's my camera? Let's see.
Oh, that's pretty.
Wow,
That looks
that's
like baby
orange.
aspirin. Let me roll around just a little bit. Thank you, Graham. Okay, help me carry it.
Oh, should we put one in there now?
Oh, put an orange one in.
Put an orange one in.
In the orange one.
Put it right there.
There you go. Good job. Okay, you want to get this one out? Here, let me just roll your sleeves up, then you can do it all by yourself. Red. Probably going to be more pink than red.
Kind of hard to get underneath them, isn't it?
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you do it. Oh, now we have a purple one. Mommy's favorite. Ooh,
Look how
pretty.
pretty that one is.
Oh, Zach. That is beautiful.
That's funny.
Well, let's let it sit in there for a little bit, buddy, so it'll turn yellow.
It's got soak. The orange one might be ready. You want to try the orange one?
There you go.
I know, they just don't make it easy. Oh, let's not put that on you.
On your good Star Wars shirt. Okay. Here's the baby aspirin color one.
Oh, good boy.
Go, man.